An unassuming envelope arrives in the mail. Open it and begin your experience with signature pink bubble packaging. Inside, a beautiful image that embodies the theme, inspirational thoughts about the collection, a thorough packing list, and all the items neatly packaged. This is Eureka Crystal Beads Fairy Lake Bead Collection Lite. I hope you're ready to see everything up close because we're going to look at it all one by one. Item number 1 are these Miyuki size 11 DELICA beads, and they're in this really soft color called Opaque Pale Rose. You get a whole 7.6 gram tube of them. I love it that these are such a neutral pink. Item number 2 are size 15 Miyuki ROUND Seed Beads, and this is a mix of colors, and the name is Passionflower. I think this is such a fantastic find. All these different colored size 15 seed beads in one mix, because sometimes you just need a few to finish off a project. Item number 3 are size 8 Miyuki ROUND seed beads. You get a 10 gram bag, and it's also the Passionflower mix. So you'll have the same colors that you do in the size 15s, just in the larger size 8s. Item number 4, you have a 10 gram bag of Preciosa Czech seed beads, size 11. They're this really pretty color called Jet TERRA. Item number 5 is an 8 gram bag of these beautiful 15 millimeter silver lined turquoise green Czech twisted bugle beads. You can tell these are nice long bugle bead. And the silver lining with its reflective quality really makes this color pop. So item number 6 is a strand of 3 millimeter Firepolish beads. These Czech glass beads are a beautiful milky pink color. And yes, I'll take mine off the strand right away so I have it easy to pick up and experiment with. And item 7 are the 2 millimeter round Druk beads. These Czech glass beads are in a beautiful sueded gold fuchsia red. And this strand has 100 of these little gems. Item number 8 is a strand of baby bellflowers. These Czech glass beads are adorable. They're 4 by 6 millimeter, and the name is Glow Green Tanzanite. Did I mention that you get 50 of these little cuties from the strand? Item number 9 is a full tube of the mini duo beads. So they're just a little smaller than a super duo. They're a 2 by 4 millimeter in size. And of course they are a 2-hole bead. And these are the Pearl Coat Steel Blue. On screen are items 10 through 15, and they're all Krakowski crystals. And if you're interested in purchasing the Fairy Lake collection, I'll leave my affiliate link in the video description below. Starting with item number 10, there are 6 of these beautiful deep sea blue crystal chatons. They're 8 millimeter. And then you pop up in size and get 2 12 millimeter rivolis, also in the same deep sea blue color. And over here are the even slightly bigger crystal round stones. They're a 14 millimeter light rose lotus. You can see that in the center. And then here in the center is an oval stone that's 13 by 18 millimeters. And yes, it's a blue zircon. Beautiful, beautiful color. And what's really awesome are all these 4 millimeter bicone crystals. Item number 14 are the 4 millimeter Caribbean Waters pack. You get 72, so many to work with, and also 72 of the 4 millimeter dark rose. Item number 16 are these Chinese crystals. They're a 2 by 3 millimeter rondelle in such a beautiful teal metallic color. Item number 17 is this magnetic flower clasp. I wonder if I'll be able to open it. Oh, it's definitely a very strong magnetic clasp. And it's got a platinum plating to it. Item number 18 is a lobster claw clasp, and what's nice is they went ahead and included jump rings to go with it, all in this platinum plating. And the last item, number 19, are these kidney-shaped ear wires, which I'm very happy are here in this collection. I really wanted some for a project. I can't remember what it is, hopefully I will. And they're also the platinum plating. I think this is a really beautiful color palette, and I love the way it all flows together. And pretty soon I'll have some tutorials on how to make these fairy flowers available on my channel, so check back soon. Until then, I hope you all have a beautiful day.